Local file inclusion. Local file inclusion is a web vulnerability that lets attackers access, view, and or include files stored on the web server file system in the document root folder. For this practical, we are going to use BWAP. BWAP is a free and open source web application with known security vulnerabilities. So let us start with low security level. Practical. Low security level. Select LFI from the drop-down menu and click on Hack. There is a functionality named Select a Language and we can change language from the drop-down. If you observe the URL, we can see that it is accessing lang_en PHP page using the parameter language. Let us try to exploit this parameter to gain access to the contents of etc password file. Password file in Linux is a file which contains information regarding users. Use the payload /etc/password to view the contents of the password file. Click on View Page Source to view the password file in a better format. As you can see, we have successfully exploited LFI at low security level. Medium security level, select medium from security level drop down and click on Set. Let us try to read the contents of password file through directory traversal //etc password. As you can see, the payload doesn't work. If you look at the URL carefully, you can see that lang_en instead of lang_en PHP in low security level. From the looks of it, the website is adding .php extension to all the files. We can bypass this protection by using a PHP wrapper. We are going to use data//PHP wrapper. Use the payload below to read the contents of the password file using the data PHP wrapper. The data// wrapper in PHP is a way to create a data URL that contains data directly within the URL itself. These types of URLs are often used to embed data directly in web pages. As you can see, we have successfully exploited LFI at medium security level. High security levels. Select High from security level drop-down menu and click on Set. Repeat the payloads from low and medium security level. As you can see, the payloads no longer work. We can try using a base64 payload as well. Search for base64 encode in the browser and base64 encode the command as shown on the screen. Use the payload below to try to read the contents of the password file. As you can see, we cannot include a file anymore and none of the previous methods work and it is no longer vulnerable at high security level.